In this tutorial, we will learn how to transcribe Zoom meetings, Zoom webinars, all Zoom conversations automatically, and transcribe and convert the audio and video into text files for easier retrieval in the future. We're going to use the service Gglot.com, and it offers a free account, which we're going to use. Once you create a free account, you log into the dashboard and proceed to transcriptions. On the transcriptions tab, you can upload your Zoom audio and video file. Click on Browse. Select your Zoom meeting that you obtained from Zoom. Select the source language. Select the number of speakers in the Zoom meetings. I suppose it's more than one. Click Upload. Once the file is uploaded, you can click on Get Transcription, and if you have more than $0 on your balance, you will obtain automatic transcription of your Zoom meeting.